Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to sync or stop syncing Facebook friends in TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. Here you need to wait a little bit. After that, in the search bar type TikTok. Here what you need to do is make sure that the TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated it to the latest version, just simply go to TikTok app, and
إياك
once you are in
نعبد
the TikTok
وإياك
app, go to your
نستعين
profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on contacts and location as you can see here. Contacts and location as you can see here. Simply tap on it and here you can see sync Facebook friends. You can just simply turn it on if you want or turn it off if you want. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.